Linear function review. Recall that there are three forms of linear equations. Each one provides us with different but important information about its graph. We have slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, which we could also write in function form as f of x equals mx plus b. We have standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. In function form, that would be ax plus b f of x equals c. And we have point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. In function form, that would be f of x equals m times x minus x1 plus y1. A vertical line is not a linear function, as it cannot be written in the form y as a function of x. A vertical line through the point 2, 0 has the equation x equals 2. A vertical line through the point -5, 3 has the equation x equals -5. A vertical line through h, k has the equation x equals h. A horizontal line is a function, as it can be written in the form y equals f of x. A horizontal line through the point -5, 3 has the equation y equals 3, or f of x equals 3. A horizontal line through the point 0, -2 has the equation y equals -2, or g of x equals -2. A horizontal line through the point h, k has the equation y equals k. Here we have slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, or f of x equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Exercise A. Write an equation of the line AB given point A is at 0, k and B is at 3k, -5k. First, we can solve for the slope. So we take y2, so I'll label this x1, y1, x2, y2. So the equation for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this case, that would be -5k minus k over 3k minus 0. So that's -6k over 3k, or a slope of -2. So m equals -2. Now, what is the y-intercept b? Well, the y-intercept is wherever x is 0. And we're actually given that point right here. When x is 0, y is k. So the y-intercept b is going to be k. That gives us a line, a slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, which will equal -2x plus k. We can write our answer as y equals -2x plus k, or f of x equals -2x plus k. Exercise B. Write an equation of the line in standard form, ax plus by equals c. First, let's calculate the slope. So we take 2 points, and we see how many up and how many across. 1, 2, 3, up, 2 across. So the slope is 3 over 2. And the y-intercept, lowercase b, is -3. Therefore, the equation of this line is y equals 3/2 x minus 3, because this is the form for mx plus b. Now let's convert this into standard form. Let's multiply the whole thing by 2. That will help get rid of this fraction here. So we have 2y equals 3x minus 6. And then we're going to put x on the other side. Or let's actually move y to this side. So we'll subtract 2y from both sides and we'll add 6 to both sides. We get 3x minus 2y equals 6. That is the equation of this line in standard form. So the solution is, first we solve for the slope, then we had the y-intercept there, we put it into slope-intercept form, then we multiplied by 2 and used algebra to write it in standard form, 3x minus 2y equals 6. Point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, Or we can replace y with f of x, where m is the slope and x1, y1 is a point on the line. Exercise C. Write an equation of the line AB given point A is at k, 2k, and point B is at negative 3k, 10k. Alright, so we have 2 points here. Let's solve for the slope first. So remember, we have x1, y1, and x2, y2. And slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this case, that is 10k minus 2k over negative 3k minus k. So that is 8k over negative 4k. The slope is negative 2. So, and we have a point on the line, so we can pick either of these points. We'll pick this point. So we have y minus y1, which is 2k, equals m, which is negative 2, times x minus x1, which is k. All right, we solved for the slope, which is negative 2. We chose the same point, x1, y1, this point here, and we plugged it into the equation like that.